Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. Today we're going to talk about how to turn on push notifications for the Uber driver app on your iPhone. Push notifications are super helpful, especially for apps like Uber Driver, where you need to stay updated on ride requests, messages, and important updates. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to enable and customize push notifications for the Uber Driver app. First, let's understand what push notifications are. These are alerts sent by apps to your iPhone. They show up as banners, alerts, or badges and can include sounds and vibrations to catch your attention. Push notifications notify you about new messages, updates, or reminders, making sure you don't miss any important information. To enable push notifications for the Uber Driver app, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the Notifications section, which is marked by a bell icon on a red background. Tap on it to enter the Notifications settings. Once you're in the Notifications settings, you'll see a list of all your installed apps. Scroll through and select the Uber Driver app. Each app has its own section where you can customize the notification settings. Inside the Uber Driver app's notification settings, you'll find various toggles. The first toggle allows notifications from the app and is usually turned on by default. If it's off, go ahead and turn it on. This will enable the Uber Driver app to send you notifications. Next, you might want to enable just the time-sensitive and critical alerts. These notifications will play sounds even if you have focus mode enabled. This is useful for urgent alerts that you don't want to miss, such as new ride requests or important updates from Uber. Below these options, you can customize how you receive the notifications. You can choose to display them on the lock screen, in the notification center, or as banners. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. For instance, if you don't want notifications cluttering your lock screen, you can disable that option and keep them only in the notification center or as banners. Another useful feature is showing previews. This setting helps maintain your privacy by controlling whether the content of the notifications is displayed on the screen. You can set it to show previews always when unlocked or never based on what works best for you. If you have other apps like social media or any other application installed on your iPhone, the process is the same. Go to each app's section under Notifications in Settings and customize the push notification settings as needed. Each app has its own place where you can enable or disable notifications and adjust how they appear. Additionally, you can enable focus mode, which allows you to selectively block notifications from specific people or apps. This is great for when you need some quiet time or want to focus on driving without interruptions. You can create custom focus modes to suit different scenarios such as work, personal time, or driving. Feel free to experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your notifications. By customizing push notifications, you can stay informed without being overwhelmed by constant alerts. That's it for today's video on how to turn on push notifications for the Uber Driver app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.